Hey folks, Bob with CurrencyWaves.com. It's been a while since I've done a video. Been kind of busy during the week, so I want to try to do some weekend videos on some larger time frames. Right now, I want to look at pound dollar. Got a couple of weekly counts I want to look at, and then I'll break it down maybe to the daily and the 4-hour, either this video or another. But we'll start with from the high here. You can kind of see 5 waves down in here for a 1, a 2, then 1, 2, 3, 4, extended 5th wave of 3. You can see the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Somewhere amongst this mess is a 4th wave, maybe an A, B, C, D, E for an expanded triangle. Something like this on that 4th wave. This little spike up being E. And then the final 5th wave down for an A. And then I have A, B, C working on D. We'll go back down to this trend line before an E leg back up, and then a C down. Kind of don't really know the target yet. 88.60 maybe. There is also a possibility that this is, let me find my, there we go, just a 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is going to be a 5 down to 1789. To me, this is getting way too big to be a 4 that fits with this, but won't rule it out. But it's a long ways away. Yeah, we got to finish the D and the E first before we have to worry about that. See how it plays out on the downside, whether it's going to hit the 1780 or the 88 down here. This count would be invalid above 67.47 or this C wave high. As far as the D leg goes, right now I have an A, B, C for A. This is a B, and this is C. Okay, and then for A here, I have an A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, leading diagonal 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for 3, A, B, C, D, E for 4th wave, 5 up for A, and then A, B, C for A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for B, and then W, WXY for X, and then a Y up for C. Nice little rising wedge. And then A, B, C, or WXY, whichever you prefer for A, B, and we're working on C down. We've already passed, let me fix this here. The 100% C equal A, the 161.8 is perfect with D versus the B leg at 61.8%, so that's why I'm kind of looking for that, and it also fits nicely with this trend line. Okay, around 50-50 or 1.5 somewhere in there. Here's 1.5. So after this ABC is complete, then I would be looking for the E leg ratio. Now this is E versus C. You know, whether it hits the 65.92. You know, I would look more into the 6 area. 1.6 before the C or fifth leg down. I was kind of labeling this C leg down here. There's so many bumps on the way down. You know, I have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for 3, a 4, a 5, 1. I mean, I'm sorry, for 1, a 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. You know, there's so many extensions and all that going on in here. I'm thinking this is like a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 3 is not actually done yet. 4, 5, and 3 way down here, and then you have a 4, 5 equals 1, right about 50-50. So I still think there's, you know, there's still 400 pips down yet on this thing. And if this was a 1, 2, 3, 4, your stop could be right in here somewhere on that. You know, this would be an extended fifth of this 3, green 3. So again, maybe 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5 for the finish off this 3. Bounce for 4, 5 down. Nice little channel here. You know, the 3 breaks out the bottom of the channel. Nothing wrong with that. The other thing, the reason I think this is still 3 is because of the RSI has peaked at this low, so we have no divergence going on yet, either on the daily or the 4 hour. So, but yeah, after this is complete here, then we should see a 3 wave bounce here for E. Okay, some alternate counts quick. It's already been 8 minutes with my rattling on. The alternate counts I have here are a little more bullish with A, then an A, B, C, D, E for B, and we see a CF. This is still, it could be a triangle. The difference is this triangle is going to break to the upside, and we're going to see, you know, an A, B wave triangle, C up to finish this B rather than the B ending here. Okay. Then a strong C leg down to around parity. And yet another possibility is the same thing with A. We got A, the red A, and we have the black, lower degree, smaller degree, A, B, C down for B, and then C up for this B. I had to pause the video there for a minute. I don't remember where I left off, but I was looking at, I think I was looking at this as 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, another 4, 5 for 3, then a 4 and a 5 before this E leg up. I'm gonna try to short this. I want to say I was going to say I'm going to get short up here with a stop around, you know, above C. But I think the smart thing would be to wait for a 5 down after this E leg up is complete, if that's what it actually ends up being. which, you know, it's really hard to tell with the E-legs. I mean, it could come up to the 38, could come all the way up to the 61, where you'd have a heck of a nice short, you know, with the low risk reward on it. But I guess when we get closer to that, I will get more detail where I'm going to get short at. If you wanted to play the bounce here up, I mean, it could be a nice 1,000 pip bounce here, but again, it's probably going to be a sloppy three-way move. It's hard to tell what actually is going to happen on it. But anyway, that's what I'm looking at for the pound. I will try to keep this updated on the weekends on how it's playing out. And I'm going to try to do some more. I'm going to take a look at the CAD later, probably Swiss C, Euro, stuff like that. I haven't done anything on the Aussie dollar for a while, so I don't know if anybody's looked at gold, but that's a nice little spike down there Friday. Anyway, thanks. If you like what you see, feel free to pass on. It's free. I'm going to try to update my site and make all the videos that are on there already free. But that may take some time to get all set up. But thanks.